Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Pisces from the mid-month of the August till the mid-month of the September. So Pisces, before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you just can contact me through my email ID which is already there in the description. So Pisces, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice. So Pisces, in the recent past, we have the Six of Wands, Page of Cups, Nine of Swords. In the present, we have Two of Swords, King of Wands, Queen of Wands. In the near future, we have the Judgment, we have Three of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. The overall challenge for the mid-month is the Knight of Wands, okay? Someone could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could be coming your way. This person has something big to offer you, okay? You have to recognize it, what this person is about to. I'm going to clarify the challenge in a moment. In the recent past, there's a Six of Wands, Page of Cups, Nine of Swords. I do feel someone was offering you an emotional connection in the recent past. Many of you in the current situation, you guys are actually in the recent past, you were actually going through anxiety, stressful situation, maybe a person or a situation which made you to go through anxiety, pain and very much depressed. You guys were very depressed in the past, okay? For some of you, it's like being happy with what you have, okay? An opportunity came your way in the recent past which made you happy. Okay, I'm going to clarify what. In the present, there's a Two of Swords, the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands. There is a soulmate, what they call divine connection is coming your way, Pisces, in the present situation. I do see you guys are very confused about it. I'm going to clarify what is going to happen. In the near future, there is a Judgment, the Three of Cups, there is a Ten of Pentacles. There is a reunion happening after realizing about a person in the near future, which is going to bring you to the happiness you want, total happiness for you, Pisces. Okay, I'm going to clarify the challenge for the mid-month, the Knight of Wands, a person, related to a person. The mid-month, from the mid-month of the August to the mid-month of the September is completely related to this person, okay? Knight of Wands. This person is offering you something big, okay? Knight of Wands is clarified by the Magician, the Justice, Three of Cups. So yes, yes, you're coming out of a person, coming out of a situation where a person was very controlling, the person was very manipulating you. In the past, there was a situation where you are going through a stressful situation, okay? You didn't open up to the other person in the past because you are the one who was experiencing the anxiety, the pain. The person was trying to control you, trying to manipulate you. I do feel with the Justice here, you are getting into a marriage or getting into a serious commitment with the person in the present situation. Yes, you're going to enjoy, celebrate with this person in the near future, okay? Because this is the person who is getting you some realization, some clarity and getting you the abundance you want. I'm going to, in the recent past, there is Six of Wands, there is a Page of Cups, there is Nine of Swords. I'm going to clarify the Nine of Swords for you. I do feel this is you, Pisces. Though this person is offering us emotional connection, you guys are feeling so stressful about this relationship. You guys were feeling so anxiety, so painful in order to be in that connection. The Nine of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, the Emperor, Queen of Cups. Though you have feelings for that person, though this person was so strong, there was so abundance of, there was so stability, but still, this person made you to work very hard, okay? With the Eight of Pentacles, I do feel this is you, Pisces, you who worked very hard in the relationship. This person was making you to be very busy, giving you stress, giving you anxiety. You were working throughout the situation again and again. You're so confused in your head about this person, okay? I'm going to clarify the Page of Cups, the person who offered you an emotional connection. I do know that you were so in love with this person, okay? This person was so controlling. With the Emperor, could be controlling sometimes. They want to be their own way, you to be in their own way. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Hierophant, 5 of Cups, 5 of Wands. There was a fight happening between you guys. You ending up regretting to be in this connection. Okay, this person was maybe you guys were married to this person in the past. There was a fight happened. This was happening again and again. Okay, the fight didn't end up soon. It was again and again happening. Many of the times you guys decided to question yourself, why am I still there? Why am I still being in a situation which is very painful, being in a situation which is giving the other person the happiness, not for me? It's like I do feel to the outer situation, outer person, outer people, the relationship was like, oh God, it's very nice. People were so very recognizing you. People were looking at you. I do feel with the 6 of Wands here, people were recognizing, okay, praising you. But deep inside, you know what is happening in your relationship. Your person was so much conscious about the people, but your person was fighting with you. Many of the times, you guys were in order to show off to people, do I have to be in this relationship which is paining? Okay, that was your question. I'm going to clarify here in the present situation. The king, there's a 2 of Swords, the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands. I'm going to clarify the King of Wands for you Pisces. This person, whoever coming your way, this person is offering you, I do feel, something big. This person is here to have some conclusion with you. The King of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Swords, 8 of Swords, the 4 of Pentacles. This person is here to get some conclusion from you, Pisces. I do see this person is not approaching the situation the way they wanted. Okay. This person is making you to feel so restricted. Could be from the past coming your way, the one who controlled you. Okay. Many of you are feeling so restricted. This person is like, okay, approaching the situation first of all the wrong way is making you to act upon it, Pisces. Take some action regarding this. Why are you being so stuck? Why with the 4 of Pentacles, I do feel you're not opening up towards this person in the present situation. You're being so confused. What should I have to do? This person is again and again giving me the torture. I don't want to. You're not at all opening to this person. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify the 2 of Swords. Why are you being so confused about the person in the present situation? Why are you being so confused? This is the person maybe you are already in a relationship with, okay? This person is giving you torture. That's what I see here. 2 of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, 6 of Wands. This is the person with whom you already were in connection with, or maybe you are already married to this person, Pisces. Okay. You don't know whether to start off a relationship, start off a new connection, letting go this person and start my own journey. You're deciding whether to start my own journey and be happy the way I want, or just to go back towards this person. You're very confused here. I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands in the present situation. I do feel this is your energy, Pisces. You are taking action regarding the connection here. You're coming to a conclusion here. You're coming to a conclusion here, Pisces, regarding the person. Queen of Wands is clarified by the Chariot, the Tower, Temperance. You are finally analyzing the situation very well and getting together the pieces which got away from your head and setting up together and coming to a result here. Finally, you are deciding to forcefully end the situation, end the marriage here and move on. Okay, you are deciding it. Because it's not the love you're getting. There's no emotional card at all here. That's what I see. Pisces, you crave for emotions. You have emotions for this person. On the other side, this person is like forcing you to take action, giving you torture, fighting with you. This is not love, Pisces. This is not love. Finally, I do see you are analyzing and ending it very painful. Though it's very painful for you, it's like you're taking it, you're making it. Okay, coming out and moving on. That's what I see here. In the near future, there's a 3 of Cups, the Judgment, the 10 of Pentacles. You are realizing about a certain situation. I'm going to clarify the Judgment. I finally see you guys enjoying your life in the near future with a person. Getting back to the past person with whom you used to be very good. The Judgment is clarified by the Moon, the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Wands. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Queen of Pentacles. Taurus, Capricorn, Libra. Virgo. You're finally realizing something, but you don't see that you have finally moved on. You have grown up. You have decided something maturely. You have come to a decision about a person. Finally, you're going to realize, I was there with a person who wasn't giving me the potential I wanted, giving me the stability I wanted. Finally, in the future, there's a person coming your way. I do feel could be a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, who is there for you, who is there looking after you, who is taking care of you, who is there giving you the support you didn't have in the past relationship. I do see, guys, you guys are enjoying with this person in the near future. I'm going to clarify the Three of Cups for you. There's a union happening in the near future. The Three of Cups is clarified by the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Fool. Okay, many of you are like coming out of a situation which was so stressful, this was so complication, there was so disagreement, and enjoying. There is a three people coming together in the near future. Okay, you guys are being so free, you're getting your freedom, you're being very carefree with them, you're being very happy, you're taking risk to move on from the situation which was giving you a lot of conflict, and getting together with the people, surrounding yourself around the people who is so supportive, who is bringing you the happiness. Okay, who is bringing you the happiness you wanted. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Pentacles in the near future. What is this connection is all about, which is bringing our Pisces the happiness they wanted. Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Sun, the Two of Cups, King of Swords. You may be getting into a person in the near future, could be an Aries and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, where you are feeling like you belong to them, where your emotions are balanced there, where this person give value for your emotions, give value for your presence, which wasn't there in the past. Finally, this person is warming you up. Okay, this person is actually I do see this person is like giving you the happiness you deserve. Finally, you're getting into a situation, you deserve it, Pisces. You deserve no pain, Pisces. Okay, so you need to analyze which one to leave here, which one to move on. Okay, so advice here for Pisces here, believe in the impossible. You don't know what's going to happen at the end of the day. Though a whole day from the morning to evening, though it was a full painful situation, you don't know what is going to happen at the night, right? You do not know. This is not the life you deserve. You are going to get what you deserve. So don't be stuck in the past and believe in impossible thing. That's what I want to say for you, Pisces. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.